Should we go all in or sell everything? We speak here about Bitcoin for our day and hourly traders. We saw we broke also the daily second support line. You see here we had a quick down, but the good thing is, and I will speak about some indicators here, the S&P 500 as always, and also the total crypto market cap, because this is crucial in order to understand, will we see a bounce to the upside or downside? This is, by the way, how we indicate also the bottom of the market, right? Because we zoomed out and I told you as soon as we will touch the previous top from the 2018 bull market, I told you as soon as we will touch it, and we had it here, we will see a relief rally to the upside. And exactly this happened. You see we touched it here from the previous bull market, and then we saw the relief rally to the upside. So right now let's start with Bitcoin on the daily. Because the good thing, the first good thing is that we saw yesterday, yes, we saw this massive candle to the downside, but we saw the bulls are coming back. They start buying up the bears. They start to fight against the bears. So this is a good news. And we closed also above the daily second support. However, what I still expect that we could go to retest the weekly support line. And if you watch the previous videos, I told you as soon as we're breaking down the daily or monthly support, we can set a short. So if you took the short even from the monthly support down below, you said you made 6.3%. Congratulations, Bratans. I show you also in a second my trades. So what is right now important to watch? Not only if we're breaking the weekly support line, that we could see Bitcoin going to 20K. No, what I'm watching much more even than this weekly support line, I'm watching the total crypto market cap. Because of the total crypto market cap, we have to watch here the EMAs, and the blue EMA, this is the 200 moving average. And you see the 200 moving average, we right now perfectly tested, and we saw a bounce on the 200 moving average. So this is very bullish. You see, the total crypto market cap represents obviously all cryptos, right? Bitcoin and all altcoins. And here we saw also the bulls won the fight, even we closed with the green candle. So this is very, very bullish. This, in my opinion, signals, in my opinion, not a financial advice, that we could see Bitcoin from here on. Yes, we could see maybe a test on the weekly support line, right? We could see maybe retest of this weekly support line, but in my opinion, this is an indicator that we will see Bitcoin bouncing to the upside. Not maybe today or tomorrow or on Monday, because especially Friday we saw a dump to the downside. So we could see here throughout the weekend. So today and tomorrow we could see here a retest of the weekly support line before we see bounce. But in my opinion, next week we will see have some at least consolidation or bounce to the upside. However, in case we are breaking this this support line, right, this 200 moving average, this blue line, then I'm expecting obviously Bitcoin will go even lower. So in case we are breaking this $1.05 trillion market cap, I'm expecting that Bitcoin will drop down to 841 billion. And what does it mean for Bitcoin, especially for Bitcoin? And I tell you also in a second what does it mean for altcoins. For Bitcoin, it means for sure we will break the weekly support line, and I'm expecting then Bitcoin to go to at least around between 21,500 and 20K dollar, right? Because this would be a massive move. Also, altcoins get crushed like crazy. Ethereum, I would expect Ethereum to go at least at the level of $1,500 because it's a big psychology border. So $1,500 at least. Let's see. However, we are still expecting a bounce to the upside, especially if we're watching the S&P 500. As long as the S&P 500 not breaking down this 2-year support line, which was previous a resistance line, right? You see here, resistance. I still expecting that we get the bounce. As soon as we're breaking this this support line, we will see the S&P 500, the whole stock market will crash, and also so does Bitcoin, because S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin, and the leading indicator for altcoins is Bitcoin, right? What I want to see, however, that the S&P 500 breaking above this resistance line, which was the previous support line, you see. I would like to see that we are breaking again above in order to continue the relief rally. You see, there are some factors which we have to watch out. So for our day traders, what is important, if you are in a long position right now, in a swing long position, just set your stop loss below the weekly support line. If you want to be sure, even set below the 20K. But To be honest, I would watch, in case we are breaking the weekly support line, I would close my long position. If we're breaking below 25k or below 25,900, I would close my long position and stand on the sideline, in my opinion. I show you also my trade. Wait a minute. Where's my trade? Here's my trade. My trade is right now my Aave trade, because I'm trading altcoins right now. My Aave trade is minus $3,500 in a loss. However, as I said, I'm expecting here that Bitcoin will bounce. And if Bitcoin will bounce, I'm expecting Aave. Wait a minute, I show you Aave, where we have Aave. I'm expecting Aave to bounce to the upside, because as I told you in my previous video, because this is swing trade, I have Aave position for a long time open. We are in this symmetrical triangle in Aave, and in case we are breaking it to the upside is massive, because you measure it always from the first touch point to the upside to the first touch point to the downside. This is the measurement which you take for a symmetrical triangle, and the technical price target, if we break it up in the next days, technical price tag would be $166. So this would be a massive long opportunity, in my opinion. Risk reward ratio, it would be 178% long opportunity. The risk reward stop loss is below this support line. My stop loss at 43 at $43, or my liquidation price. I said liquidation price is my stop loss. You have to decide your own how you set your trades, but yes, in my opinion, the risk reward is amazing. So the reward is massive, the upside is massive, right? So therefore, you have to decide on Bitcoin. Do you want right now to take this short to the weekly support line, right? If you take here the short to the weekly support line, it would be still 5% to go. I would take profits at 25,400 approximately. If you are in a long position, the upside to the long position is here around 35k. This is what we're expecting if the relief rally continues. The stop loss I would set below the weekly support line, right? So the risk reward ratio is amazing. I showed you yesterday around around 3, a factor 3, or even 2 if you set your stop loss below 20k. If you want to claim, you can claim your bonus of $1,000 of a long or short position. Just click the link, and then you get here to this page on Bybit, and you can just claim the bonus of $1,000 short or long position. You can decide yourself, bratans. You have to watch the total crypto market cap and the S&P 500, especially total crypto market cap is very important, bratans. This was a quick update video. Yesterday I did a video on the really big picture, how to get rich with crypto within 2 years, and I don't sell there any course for you. I just really talking about how I, or how also my friends and insiders invest, and it's a very, I mean, 2 years, it's not a long time to make money in crypto, and especially now you have to understand the Bitcoin halving and how you can make money with the Bitcoin halving, which will happen in 1 year. Just watch the video from yesterday, bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.